Good evening, and welcome to our special coverage on Thanksgiving holiday travel. Are you ready for the rush, and most importantly, are you prepared for it? As the season of gratitude and turkey dinners approaches, so does the busiest travel period of the year. Whether you're hitting the roads, soaring through the skies, or cruising along the waves, getting a head start on your travel plans can make all the difference. Our aim? To equip you with the latest insights and tips for a smooth journey. Stay tuned as we dive into the latest travel forecast. AAA projects a significant increase in travel this Thanksgiving, with 55.4 million people traveling, marking a 2.3% rise from last year. Most will drive, followed by air travel, with a noticeable boost in cruise, bus, and train travel. Expect busier roads and airports this Thanksgiving season. For those driving, be prepared for congestion. Traffic data firm Einrix foresees Wednesday, November 22nd as the busiest travel day, with peak times between 2 and 6 p.m. Your best bet? Hit the road early morning or after 6. Plan your travel times wisely to avoid heavy traffic. Travel costs show varied trends this Thanksgiving. Domestic airfares are up by 5%, while international fares have dipped by 5.7%. Hotel and rental car prices show similar mixed trends. Interestingly, cruise prices vary significantly between domestic and international voyages. Keep an eye on these trends while making your travel bookings. This season's top destinations include warm weather sites and theme parks. Stateside, holidaymakers are making a beeline for Orlando, Miami, and Las Vegas. For those venturing overseas, Cancun, Rome, and Bali are proving to be the hot favorites. These destinations are expected to be bustling with holiday travelers. As you plan your Thanksgiving travels, stay informed on traffic patterns, be mindful of costs, and most importantly, stay safe. Remember, the roads will be busiest on Wednesday, so try to avoid peak hours. Air travel is on the rise, so ensure you book your tickets in advance. With the varied trends in costs, consider your options carefully. Whether you're jetting off to Cancun or driving to Orlando, a little planning can go a long way. We wish you a joyful and smooth journey this holiday season. For more information on how to monetize travel, visit www.workwithtravelbuddy.com.